Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. How to make stuffed Nutella pancakes. See the recipe in this video and enjoy. If you don't subscribe me, so please subscribe me yet and hit the bell icon for more videos. The first ingredient, you can use any brands of pancake mixture. I use White Wings. I bought from Woolworths. Mix it well with filled of water as required and take Nutella as well. Put some oil on low flame and make pancakes in round shape and put some Nutella chocolate there and make stuff. After some time, like 1 minute, flip it out and make small pancakes. Pour some honey there because I like to. As you can see, there's a Nutella inside. It's very yummy and mouth-watering. I hope you like my video. Subscribe me for more updates and video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.